Imagine stepping through the gates of a zoo, your eyes wide with wonder at the magnificent creatures behind the enclosures. But beneath this awe lies a complex ethical debate. Is it right to keep large mammals and other wildlife in captivity? On one hand, zoos play a crucial role in conservation, providing safe havens for endangered species and contributing to breeding programs that aim to restore dwindling populations. For example, the giant panda, once on the brink of extinction, has seen its numbers rise significantly due to these efforts. According to the World Wildlife Fund, the population of giant pandas in the wild has increased by 17% over the past decade thanks to these breeding programs. Similarly, the California condor has been brought back from the brink, with captive breeding programs boosting their numbers from a mere 27 in the wild in 1987 to over 400 today, including more than 200 flying free. However, this triumph casts a dark shadow. Critics argue that captivity can severely impact animal behavior and welfare, leading to physical and psychological distress. Elephants, for instance, known for their vast roaming habits in the wild, often suffer from foot problems and obesity in the confined spaces of zoos. A study published in the journal PLOS One revealed that 75% of captive large mammals exhibit abnormal behaviors, such as pacing and self-harm, indicative of profound distress. Orcas, or killer whales, held in marine parks, have sparked significant controversy. These intelligent creatures, which in the wild can travel up to 100 miles a day, are confined to small tanks, leading to shortened lifespans and increased aggression. The documentary Blackfish brought widespread attention to the plight of captive orcas, showing that they often live less than 20 years in captivity, compared to their 30 to 50-year lifespan in the wild. Furthermore, the public perception of zoos is a double-edged sword. While some view them as educational sanctuaries promoting conservation awareness, others see them as archaic prisons exploiting animals for entertainment. This dichotomy is exemplified by the controversy surrounding orcas in marine parks, where instances of aggression and shortened lifespans have sparked global outcry. The case of Kiska, the loneliest orca in Marineland, Canada, who has been in solitary confinement for over a decade, highlights the ethical concerns about animal welfare in captivity. Moreover, an undercover investigation by the Humane Society of the United States exposed poor conditions in some roadside zoos, showing animals living in filthy, cramped enclosures without proper veterinary care. This raises a poignant question. Can the benefits of captive breeding and conservation justify the ethical costs of keeping wildlife in captivity? While institutions like the San Diego Zoo and the Smithsonian's National Zoo are lauded for their scientific contributions and efforts to save species from extinction, we must also consider the welfare of the individual animals. Join us as we delve into this intricate and emotionally charged topic, exploring both the triumphs and tribulations of zoos in the modern world, and challenge ourselves to rethink the balance between conservation and compassion.